Welcome back everyone to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of financial success. Money, something we all strive for, but often find elusive. Fear not, because I'm here to share with you 18 money rules that will set you on the path to financial prosperity. In a world driven by dreams, aspirations, and the pursuit of financial success, we find ourselves navigating through a labyrinth of financial decisions, hoping to uncover the secret formula that leads to prosperity. Well, my friends, you've come to the right place. Welcome to the epicenter of financial enlightenment. Today, we embark on an exhilarating journey, unraveling the 18 money rules that will unlock the doors to financial success. But before starting the video, let me tell you that whatever we are going to earn through this video, we will donate 9% of it to the education of unprivileged children. In fact, 9% of the total earning from this channel. Our vision is that every child will be educated by the end of 2034 in India. If you want to join us and be a helping hand in our journey, then do subscribe to the channel, and if you have gained anything from the video, do like it and comment to let us know. Now let's move back to our topic. Whether you're a student starting your financial journey or a young professional striving for stability, or someone seeking to reinvent their financial story, this is your moment. Together, we'll unlock the walls of financial wisdom and equip you with the tools to build an empire of prosperity. Let's get started. Number 1. Pay yourself first. Now, this rule might sound a bit counterintuitive at first, but trust me, it's a game changer. It's essential to prioritize saving and investing. Always pay yourself first before spending on anything else. Think of it as building a strong financial foundation. It's like putting on your own oxygen mask before helping others. Taking care of yourself financially enables you to better navigate the challenges that life throws your way. Remember, paying yourself first is not just about saving money. It's about setting the foundation for financial success. By making yourself a priority, you'll build a strong financial base, establish healthy financial habits, and create opportunities for future growth and prosperity. Number 2, track your spending. Guys, this rule is all about being mindful of where your money goes and understanding your spending habits. Tracking your spending means keeping a record of every dollar that flows in and out of your accounts. It's about being aware of your financial inflows and outflows and taking control of your financial situation. So be mindful of where your money goes. Tracking your spending helps you understand your habits and make necessary adjustments to stay on track and pave the way to financial success. Number 3. Set clear financial goals. This rule emphasizes the importance of developing a spending plan that outlines your income, expenses, and saving goals. Imagine your dreams turning into reality. You should set clear financial goals, both short-term and long-term. This will provide you with a roadmap for success. Number 4. Embrace a frugal mindset. Certainly, Rule 4 emphasizes the importance of embracing a frugal mindset. It encourages adopting a conscious and intentional approach to spending and finding ways to save money. Being frugal doesn't mean sacrificing everything. It means making conscious choices to maximize value and minimize wasteful spending. Embracing a frugal mindset allows you to make conscious choices, reduce unnecessary expenses, and save money for the things that truly matter to you. We have made a separate video about 9 frugal habits that will make you rich this year. Number 5. Diversify your income. Now, this rule highlights the importance of diversifying your income sources. Relying solely on a single income stream can leave you vulnerable to financial instability. Diversifying your income means creating multiple sources of income to provide stability, flexibility, and increased financial security. You must keep in mind that relying solely on a single income source can be risky. Hence, Explore different avenues to generate income and create multiple streams of revenue. Number 6. Learn to budget wisely. Alright, this 6th rule emphasizes the importance of learning to budget wisely. Budgeting is the fundamental financial skill that helps you manage your income, expenses, and savings effectively. Guys, budgeting is like a financial compass. So you should allocate your money wisely, ensuring that your spending aligns with your priorities and goals. Learning to budget wisely empowers you to take control of your finances, make informed decisions, and work towards your financial goals. It helps you prioritize your spending, manage debt, and build a solid foundation for financial stability and success. Number 7. Avoid debt traps. Certainly, Rule 7 emphasizes the importance of avoiding debt traps. Debt traps refer to situations where individuals become trapped in a cycle of debt, struggling to repay their debts and facing financial hardship. Debt can weigh you down, so be cautious and avoid unnecessary debt. If you must borrow, do so responsibly and have a plan to pay it off. Number 8. Invest in yourself. Your most valuable asset is you. Invest in your personal growth and development. This could include pursuing higher education, attending workshops or seminars, or acquiring new skills. Continuously investing in yourself opens doors to new opportunities and enhances your earning potential. Remember, continuous learning will open doors to new opportunities. Number 9. Maximize retirement savings. This rule emphasizes the importance of maximizing your retirement savings. Planning for retirement is crucial to ensure financial security and independence during your golden years. It's never too early to start planning for retirement. Contribute to retirement accounts and take advantage of employer-matched contributions. Start early and consistently save for your retirement to ensure a comfortable future. Number 10. Stay informed about taxes. We all know that taxes play a significant role in your financial life, and being knowledgeable about tax laws and regulations can help you optimize your financial decisions. Taxes are a part of life, so you should stay informed about tax laws, deductions, and credits to ensure you're making the most of your money. This knowledge allows you to make informed financial decisions, optimize your tax strategies, and potentially reduce your tax liability. Number 11. Protect yourself with insurance. Insurance provides financial protection and helps mitigate potential risks and losses. We all are aware of the fact that life is very unpredictable. Hence, you should have a safeguard for your financial well-being by having appropriate insurance coverage for health, home, auto, and other needs to protect yourself and your loved ones from unexpected financial hardships. Number 12. Give back to society. Giving back to society is a powerful way to contribute to the well-being of others and create a more compassionate and inclusive world. Since generosity goes a long way, so you should give back to society by supporting the causes you believe in. Helping others not only feels rewarding but also brings positivity in your life. Whether through volunteering, charitable donations, mentoring, or advocating for causes, your actions can make a meaningful difference and inspire others to join in the collective effort of giving back. Number 13. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a financial safety net that provides a cushion for unexpected expenses or financial hardships. Life can throw curveballs when you least expect them. Having an emergency fund can provide you with a peace of mind during challenging times. Hence, just start building it today in order to navigate unexpected expenses or income disruptions without derailing your financial stability. Number 14. Invest in the long term. Guys, investing is a powerful wealth building tool that allows your money to grow over time. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. So just focus on long-term growth and resist the temptation of short-term gains. Patience and consistency are key. By setting clear goals, understanding your risk tolerance, diversifying your portfolio, And staying disciplined, you can potentially benefit from the growth of your investments over time. Number 15, stay ahead of inflation. Now, inflation is the gradual increase in prices of goods and services over time, which erodes the purchasing power of your money. To ensure your financial success, it's essential to take steps to mitigate the impact of inflation. Actually, inflation erodes the purchasing power of your money. Learn how to invest in assets that outpace inflation, such as stocks, real estate, or commodities. By investing in assets that beat inflation, monitoring inflation rates, and planning accordingly, you can preserve the value of your money over time. Number 16, practice smart shopping habits. By being mindful of your spending and making informed purchasing decisions, you can stretch your budget, save money, and make wiser financial choices. Smart shopping can save you a significant amount of money. Go and look for deals, compare prices, and use coupons or loyalty programs to get the best value. These habits allow you to save money, avoid unnecessary expenses, and make you fortune. Number 17, surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Actually, the people you associate with can have a significant influence on your mindset, habits, and overall financial well-being. So it's important that you surround yourself with people who inspire and uplift you on your financial journey. Join groups, attend events, and engage with communities that share your goals. By connecting with others who have similar financial goals and values, you can gain insights, stay motivated, and reinforce positive financial habits. Number 18, never stop learning. The world of finance is ever evolving, and it's essential to stay informed and adapt to changing circumstances. You should stay curious and never stop learning. You may also read books, follow blogs, and listen to podcasts to expand your knowledge. Continuously expanding your financial literacy allows you to make informed decisions, adapt to changing circumstances, and take proactive steps towards achieving your financial goals. We have made a separate video on the benefits of lifelong learning. If you are a book reader, then do read the 3 books mentioned in the description for more enlightenment on the following topic. And there you have it, 18 money rules for financial success. Remember, these rules are not a guarantee, but they provide a solid foundation for your financial journey. Embrace them, adapt them to your circumstances, and watch your financial future flourish. Want to learn more about achieving financial success? Follow us on social media and join our community of money-savvy individuals. Together, let's conquer our financial goals. Guys, if you found this video informative and helpful, then hit a like button and must subscribe to our channel. And share your thoughts as well as leftover information through commenting. Now that's all for today. Catch you in our next video.